Hi everyone, so in this video we'll be looking at binary operations. Now I really strongly suggest that you look at the substitution videos, part 1 and part 2, before coming to look at this video. Because binary operations is linked very closely to substitution. You must know how to substitute in order to work with binary operations. Here in this example we have A star B, so I'm going to rewrite it here. A is equal to 2a plus b. And we want to find 5 star 4. Now if you look carefully, our a is being replaced by 5 and our b is being replaced by the 4. So wherever we see our a, we're going to substitute it with 5, and whenever we see our b, we're going to substitute it with 4. So remember now 2a is same as 2 times a, right? Which will be here in this case 2 times 5 plus b, which is now 4. So we will get 20. I'm saying 20, sorry, I meant 10 plus 4, which is equal to 14. Right? Again, you must remember that 2a plus b is the same as 2 times a plus b. Right? Very simple. So you have to write down the binary operation, which in this case is the a star b. Write down what they want to what they're asking you to find right underneath, which is this here, 5 star 4. And then you'll see, okay, the a is being replaced by the 5 and the b is being replaced by the 4. So you substitute wherever you see a, you put that 5, and wherever you see b, you substitute it with 4. Right? So that's why I said make sure and look at your substitution videos before you come and look at this video. Let's look at this other question here. We have p star q is equal to p squared minus q. They want you to find 3 star 6. So let's go ahead and look at finding 3 star 6. So I just rewrote the binary operation here. P star q equals p squared minus q. Now, and then I wrote underneath what we want to find, 3 star 6. If you realize, the p is being replaced by 3 and the q is being replaced by 6. So wherever we see p, we're going to put 3. So I have p squared here, p squared, so that'll become 3 squared. And wherever I see q, I'm replacing with 6. So p squared minus q, so that's 3 squared minus 6. And remember, 3 squared is 3 by 3, 9. Take away 6, which is 3. Right? Pretty simple. Now let's look at our next example. An operation is defined by x star y is equal to 2x plus 3y. So x star y is equal to 2x, which is 2 times x, plus 3 times y, right? Cool, 3y. And the first one, very easy, you want to find what we did here. We want to find 4 star 5. So wherever we see x, we replace it with 4. Wherever we see y, we will replace it with the 5. So 2x, that'll be 2 times x, which is x is now 4. So 2 times 4 plus 3y, which is 3 by y. I remember y is now 5. So that'll be 3 by 5. So when we simplify, we get 8 plus 15, which is 23. The first one was pretty easy, right? Now looking at part B now. Very interesting. We want to find 4 star 5 in brackets star 6. Now you need to remember, whenever we have brackets, we must work out the brackets first, right? Now from part A above, we had to find 4 star 5, and that answer was 23 from right above here. So we know that 4 star 5 is 23. So therefore, we just replace this 4 star 5 with the 23 here. So now this becomes 23 star 6. So now we need to find 23 star 6. Remember what our original equation is, binary operation, is x star y is equal to 2x plus 3y. Now we want to find 23 star 6. So basically, wherever we see 23, we're replacing it with, wherever we see x, we're replacing it with 23. Wherever we see y, we would replace it with 6. So this becomes 2 times 23 plus, and that's how we get 46 plus 18, which is 64, and that's my final answer there. So I see you had to work out the brackets first, and all these questions are usually linked. So whatever the brackets is we found it already in part A. So let's look at the last piece. We want to find 3 star open brackets, 4 star 5 close brackets. And once again, we need to work out the brackets first, and we already worked out what 4 star 5 is. So replace this 4 star 5 with the 23. So we now get 3 star 23 that we need to work out. Remember, the main equation is x star y is equal to 2x plus 3y, right? And I wrote it down here. So the x is being replaced by 3 now. The y is being replaced by 23. So wherever I see x, I put 3. So 2 by x plus, wherever I see y, I'm going to put 23. So 3 by y, which is 3 by 23. And it just simplify. I get 6 plus 69. And 75 is my final answer. And that's it really for binary operations. Just need to take your time. It's basically substitution, but you know, the tricky part in it really is where you have those brackets coming into play. You must work out the brackets before you do anything else, right? But it's pretty simple. Any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.